Hello and welcome back to the Dodo Juice mini-series on the Hairy Housewife YouTube channel. Now, so far on this mini-series, we have covered pre-washing, wheel cleaning and tyre cleaning, and now it's time to move on to my favourite product in the Dodo Juice range, and that is Dodo Juice's award-winning Born to be Mild pH neutral shampoo. Now, Born to be Mild is also safe on waxes and sealants, and it also contains limescale inhibitors to help reduce the chances of water spotting during the contact wash stage. Now, before we go on to using Born to be Mild on this vehicle behind me, we need to give it a pre-rinse, a hit with Dodo Juice's Crudzilla, a hit with Dodo Juice's Apple iPhone Snow Foam, a cheeky little clean on the wheels with Dodo Juice's Deep Purple, and also don't forget to give the rubber on those tyres a little clean with Dodo Juice's New Look. So now all those stages are complete, we can go ahead and pop Dodo Juice's Born to be Mild into our wash bucket. Now, it can be diluted down to 1 to 800. That is 20 litres of water to 25 ml of Dodo Juice's Born to be Mild. Now, if you're like me and you live in a hard water area, it's always advised to add a little bit extra into your wash bucket just to help soften that water, again, to help reduce the chances of water spotting. Around about 10 to 15 ml extra should do the trick. So now we've got it loaded into our wash bucket, it's time to give it a mix up with the pressure washer. Now, before I go ahead and wash the vehicle, I'm going to pop 25 ml of Dodo Juice's Born to be Mild into my snow foam can and top it up with about 350 ml of water. Now, this isn't mandatory, you don't have to do this, it's not in the directions on the back of the bottle. This is just something I like to do to help cool the panels down on a warmer day like today and help reduce the chances of water spots. So now we have that done, it's time to go ahead with the contact wash and give this vehicle a good old scrubbing. So now we've been around the entire vehicle, it's time to rinse that shampoo off. So now you've got the vehicle rinsed off and it's looking squeaky clean. You can go ahead and grab yourself a bottle of Dodo Juice's Dynamo Drying Aid, and you can also go ahead and grab yourself a dry hard drying towel and give the vehicle a drying off. So once the vehicle is dry, it's time to move on to the next steps, and we'll cover that in a later episode on the Dodo Juice mini-series. Now, remember, Dodo Juice's Born to be Mild is pH neutral. It does contain limescale inhibitors, it does smell absolutely fantastic, and it's also safe on waxes and sealants. So if you're looking for a pH neutral, safe, beautifully smelling shampoo, then Dodo Juice's Born to be Mild could be the one for you. Now guys, I have been the Hairy Housewife. This has been episode 6 of the Dodo Juice mini-series, and I'll see you all again next time.